Hello guys. I'm just gonna be doing some random stuff. Because why not? On Ibis Paint, of course. Because why would I be open on the app before the video starts? So let's draw an eye. I'm just drawing an eye, cause what's preppy without an eye? Me. Excuse me, I have an eye. I'm joking. Okay, wait. I want this to go viral as an audio. Adios. Adios? Huh? Okay. Anyone can use this audio. Shadow text. This is cool. And you got a dog, please. Oh, no. Say, my puppets are good. I'm an artist. I'm good at drawing, you know. I know how to get there. Lena, I'm good at drawing, right, yo? And then it comes up that I have to, write something, right, guys? I have to write, like, hello and stuff. When I write hello, this is my writing. That's not really good for an artist. Could you get to the please? Okay, what if I just... Oh no. I'm glitched. What just... Oh my god. This is literally forbidden. This is so glitchy. I don't think it was meant to be. Like, I really don't think it was meant to be. Okay, it's really glitchy when I do it, like... And a dog, please. Together. And a dog, please. Together. Okay, this is Carol. Okay, wait, I have an idea. What if we fill all the pages in with one, like, a type of, how do I say? Like, almost every like, font that this can make. Oh my god, that's way too big. Oh my god. Could you do? Okay, club. Okay, flat brush. Okay, actually, I have an idea. Star. We're gonna get some grassy texture. Cause, like, why not get some grass? Okay, that's cool. Oh my gosh. It's grass. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, that grass is really... Oh wait, I could use this on a palm tree. Wait, I can't. A lot of grass. I'm making a video. bambina. Oh. Perché? Ooh, there's drops. Okay, wait. I can literally color it in with drops. Yeah. Okay, let's breed dark. Ooh, this is cool. I don't mind me no liked. What if it's like this? Leaf shower. Leaf. No, it's bad. Soft pastel. That looks like it would work good. Like that, soft pastel. I don't know how to get that. Can you get that up, please? I know how to get it. Kind of a darker color here. Yo, I'm sorry if I sang and like it sounds like I'm like taking audios and stuff. It's just like there's this one song that just stuck in my head, so please don't think I'm stealing an audio and stuff. Anyways, we're almost on. This is cute. Gonna have a white sun. No, I said white sun. Literally. It's like suns are white, right? Like in the middle, they look white in real life. Just to make it kind of like it looks like it's glowing, kind of. Okay, so like that. Okay, so like that. Okay, that's cool. How'd they make the grass texture like that? Okay, so yeah, what do you guys think about it? Let me just add a few more clouds. Yeah, I'll just post it in my community post, so y'all can like, you know, basically look at it, stuff, the beauty of this. Okay, so bye guys. Bye.